Love from Camp Gitchigoomi by Cheryl Block. July 10th, 1968. Dear Mom and Dad, life here at Camp Gitchigoomi is great. It's never boring. We're always on the go. We went hiking one day and it was wonderful. I saw squirrels and deer, and I got only a little bit of poison oak on my legs. It took a while to get rid of the smell. My cabin mates and I had to eat and sleep outside. But I didn't know you shouldn't pet that cute little black and white animal. We had our opening campfire last night. We sang camp songs, did skits, and toasted marshmallows. I accidentally got a melted marshmallow in Juan Felito's hair when I turned around to talk to Carlos. The counselors put the marshmallow out before her hair caught on fire. And they just had to cut her hair a little to get out the melted marshmallow. The lake is beautiful too. We went canoeing today, and it was really fun. Chad and I got the paddles stuck together. While we were trying to separate them, I pulled too hard on my paddle and hit Chad in the head. When I leaned over to help him, the canoes tipped over, and Chad and I fell in. It wouldn't have been a problem if Chad hadn't been unconscious, but the counselor got to him in plenty of time, and once they gave him mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, he was fine. He was just a little waterlogged, although he did lose his glasses. I didn't need mouth-to-mouth, but I was going to ask Mary Jensen to try it just in case. However, I threw up on her while they were taking me to the infirmary. I hope she won't hold it against me. She is awesome. Tomorrow we go on an overnight hike. We'll sleep under the stars and cook over a campfire. I cannot wait. Everything we do is fun and exciting. And guess what? I think Mr. Purdy, the camp director, is impressed with my camping skills. He says he's personally going to write to you. He says they've never had a camper like me. Love, Arthur.